If you're in the market for reliable rain protection, the COOFANDY men's rain gear is worth considering. This suit provides excellent coverage and breathability thanks to its fully seam-tape design and DWR-treated outer shell. Whether you're caught in a sudden downpour or facing persistent rain, this suit keeps you comfortably dry without making you feel stuffy. The jacket offers several practical features, including an adjustable hood with Velcro straps and a unique breathable mesh design on the back. This ensures good ventilation, preventing overheating during strenuous activities. The watertight zipper and two-sided pockets are also well thought out, providing secure storage for your phone or wallet. Reflective strips add an extra layer of safety, making you visible in low-light conditions. The adjustable hem with a drawstring helps you achieve a snug fit, keeping rain out effectively. The pants are equally well designed, featuring an adjustable waist with a drawstring and adjustable legs with Velcro. This ensures a comfortable fit that can be tailored to your needs, protecting you from rain and wind. The two pants pockets are convenient for storing small essentials, so you don't have to rummage through your pack in the rain. Overall, the COOFANDY men's rain suit is a versatile and practical choice for a wide range of outdoor activities. Its thoughtful design and features make it a reliable companion for staying dry and comfortable in wet weather. Despite its lightweight nature, it performs admirably and is easy to pack, making it a great addition to your outdoor gear.